Hello, investors and traders, and welcome to the Midweek Report. I'm AJ Monte, Chief Market Strategist with StickyTrades, and let's get right to the charts. DIA, we hit our upside target right there at 336.79. IWM, going in alphabetical order, we hit that upside target right there at 174.54. QQQ, again, hitting the upside target perfectly at 367.80. And SPY, of course, online with 100% success in our price targets. We have a target hit at 432.09. Finally, the VIX, what do we have? We had a downside target that was hit yesterday at 1696. Now let's go back and review as we take this slowly through the candles. What do we have there? We have a red candle on lower volume. I'm not going to draw zip lines on this because I'm saving that for Friday. I am expecting a downturn here now, probably to test the mid-range here, right around 335 on diamonds by Friday. I think the Fed information that came out today is telling us that they're pausing, but that does not eliminate inflation. I think investors are going to realize that and have that uh-oh moment and possibly a flight to safety into bonds. Again, that's going to put pressure on the markets for sure. IWM, as I said, we hit the upside target. I do believe we're going to pull back from this moving average right here as it will be resistance. We have this long stretch of green candles there, known as the stale green light. It's now broken today. Look at the CCI starting to hinge lower. So again, I think we're going right back down, possibly to the highs from earlier this week, maybe right around the 172.5 level. We'll have to see. That's on the table right now, but I do believe that we're going to see a pivot lower and could wind up with an ABCD pattern that could ultimately take out the lows from earlier this month. All right, so that's IWM. Looking at QQQ, we are, again, battling with this fan line. That's fan line number 5. I do believe that by Friday, we're going right back down to this moving average. Look at the hinge in the CCI down there. I think we're going lower. So trail your stops for any of the bulls out there and make sure you're putting downside protection in place. For you option traders out there, I hope you're happy. I'm getting the trade publications out so you can make those rolls on your spreads for cash. We're having a great time so far, and there's more to come there. SPY, I think we're going lower again. This is a shooting star yesterday, hanging man today, drop in volume. Remember, I forecasted this drop in volume last Friday, and look at the CCI starting to hinge. The stochastic is overbought, and that leads us to the VIX. I think we have this long stretch of red known as the stale red light that is about to break. I think we're going higher on the VIX. I would go so far to say that we're probably going to close closer to 18 on the VIX by Friday or by Friday's close. So keep that in mind. Remember, tonight is rapid fire stock analysis. Last week, we had 8 star favorites. What does that mean for this week? It means that I'm going to have a lot more room to take on fresh ticker symbols. So if you're not a StickyTrade member just yet, might want to tune in for an action-packed hour, Wednesdays from 6 to 7, rapid fire stock analysis. Take care.